Hello, our fourth graders. We are going to walk you through an experiment all about light. All right, Mrs. McNabb.
So today, the goal of our experiment is to see that darker surfaces will absorb more heat than lighter surfaces when exposed to the same amount of light. Is that true?
Ooh,
I don't
question.
know. So here's what you're going to need to complete this experiment on your own. You will need 2 identical drinking glasses or jars. That means they need to be the same size. You need water, a thermometer, 2 elastic bands or some tape, white paper, and black paper.
And this is what they're going to look like when they're put together.
All right, so to do this experiment, the first thing you need to do is wrap the white paper around one of the glasses and then make sure it stays on there with tape to hold it on. And then you repeat the same process with the other glass using the black paper. So you want to end up with one with white and one with black.
Perfect.
Next, you will fill the glasses with the same amount of water. You may want to get a measuring cup for this. And then what you're going to do is, this is an all-day experiment, so you want to set these glasses out in the sun in the morning. And then you're going to make sure they're in the sun, and then you're going to check back on them at the end of the school day to return to see what the temperature is. Before you put them out in the sun, measure the temperature of the water, which Mr. Berry is doing right now.
69.8 for the white one. 70.2 for the black one. So very, very close. Very close in temperature.
Time to put them outside, Mr. Berry.
This is our pretend outside. So we have a light that's going to heat them up just like the sun would. So we're going to wait and watch.
A few moments later, 2 hours later, 3 hours later, 6.5 hours later.
On your data sheet, we put ours on the board. We had our black paper that was around one of the glasses, and we had our white paper that was around one of the glasses. And when we did our initial temperature this morning, the black paper, the water temperature was 70.2, and the glass with the white paper was 69.8. And then we put them in the sunlight, in our case, our pretend sunlight, and we're getting ready to measure what the temperature of the water is now at the end of the day.
Yeah.
72.9. So it got warmer. 107.2.
Oh my goodness.
Wow. Wow.
That was significant growth.
After being outside in the sun all day. Interesting.
When you're outside.
Ooh.
Think about what kind of clothes you wear when it's hot out. What color are you wearing?
Interesting. Interesting. All right. So take care of this experiment and we will see you later. You have to write the answers to the questions and we'll talk about those answers on Thursday. Thank you.